Come with me. Shipping hitters! That Parrot's trying to steal one of our girls! We have to stop him! Let's get him! Let's get him! There he is, behind the palm tree! Let's get him! I see you over there. We need your help. Some scallywag has stolen our parrot. We have to get him. What's in it for me? I heard there's a reward for this scallywag. Alright, matey, let's go. Come on, Salty, let's go. He's gotta get me through somewhere. There he is. We got you! You're gonna have to fight me for it! Fine! Always stretch before a battle. Arms up,